Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Inga and my topic is painting in watercolor. So during our today's tutorial, during my other tutorials, I will teach you how to paint pretty simple illustrations in a watercolor style. So if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, and let's paint all together. During our today's tutorial, we're gonna paint this lovely color palette with my new watercolor brush set, which is called True Watercolor. And today we're gonna use new brush, new technique, and I hope you will like that one. So first of all, we need to create a new layer that is underneath of our sapphire paper. My next step is let's choose a brush, and I will grab Blue Pigmented Ruby. For example, we can start painting, and if we paint more and more times, you see the color is getting pigmented. One more time, we paint, and the beginning is very saturated. But if you press like this, it will be like that. But if you press and keep painting, you see it's getting darker and darker. That's why I like this brush. Okay, we have our blue color. Grab blending tool. We're gonna go and grab Boot Jam Eraser and Blender. Okay, now I think it's time to duplicate our layer and make our color palette not that transparent. But before we do that, we need to go to lower layer, and I want to show the shading part here. You see underneath of our color palette we have shades. So in this way I will go lower the opacity, what I did, and after I need to change the color, go press hue, saturation and brightness, make it less transparent. And like that. So now we have our color palette, it's here. I duplicated in because I want to have it pretty saturated. And after that I will merge it together, duplicate it one more time, go to lower layer, adjustments, hue, saturation and brightness, and turn our brightness to maximum. So now our color palette is not transparent anymore. And you see it's very convenient because our layer, our shading layer, it's fine. It doesn't overlap our color palette. So now we're gonna go and create new layer and press clipping mask. And now I'm gonna go and add some shades. Like this, for example. I'm gonna go and change the color to watercolor stamp 9. And now let's turn off for a while this layer. And I want to think where I want to place it. I will keep it like that. Lower the opacity. And I think I want to add one more stamp here. So I will create one more layer. Now this layer is also in a clipping mask mode, and grab Boo Stamp 8. Something like that. After that green shade, now we need to add some shades, and in this way we'll create new layer. Press clip and mask. Now this layer is in the clip and mask mode. I'm gonna switch to another brush, Boom on Stone Splashes. Same we'll do with our colors. Asian Gay Agate. Okay, now lower the opacity, make it not that bright, and overall our color palette looks pretty lovely. One more thing, that what else we can do, we can just actually create some background, and for that we'll go and grab Sharp Soft Diamond, Sharpen Soft Diamond, and I think I want to have something like pink color. Increase the size. More final details, we can merge together all of it, and after that we can add some shades. Freehand, feather 14% hue, saturation and brightness, increase saturation, and play with brightness. It's extremely saturated, and we can do same with background if you want, but I don't like the way how it looks, so I will keep it that way. And guys, that's our color palette. I hope you enjoyed our today's tutorial, and if you like it, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!